Hi, welcome to Garden Watch. Today we are taking a look at the Technaxx HD Bird Cam TX165. All of these videos and photos are straight from the camera. Coming in at under £100, the TX165 does exactly what it says it does, as you can see here with this robin. The focus point is pretty much spot on, and as you can see with this greenfinch, the depth of field is not too bad either. I'm very pleased and impressed with this unit, especially as this is the first day of it in action. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the videos and pictures. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.